Start walking. Again. Disney's Magic Kingdom to Disney's Contemporary Resort and Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort. You are staying at Disney's Contemporary Resort or the Disney Vacation Club Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Walt Disney World. You enjoy a meal or two at Chef Mickey's, a longtime character dining fan favorite. You have spent time at Disney's Magic Kingdom theme park and now want to return back to your resort. What are your options? You could take the monorail. The very first monorail stop from Disney's Magic Kingdom, as it turns out, is Disney's Contemporary Resort. Both Bay Lake Tower and Disney's Contemporary Resort share the same monorail stop right inside Disney's Contemporary Resort. It's the one with these wonderful murals on the walls you can see as you wait in line to catch the next monorail car. Yet, it's a beautiful day or evening, so you decide to walk. Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel. Join me walking from Disney's Magic Kingdom theme park to Disney's Contemporary Resort and Bay Lake Tower. The walk takes about 7 minutes depending on how fast you walk. We'll show you the entire walk so you can see what it's like for yourself at our regular walking speed. Ready? Let's go. We start from just inside Disney's Magic Kingdom theme park. Once past the admission area, turn to the extreme left. If you're going to take the monorail, you would turn to the right. And on the left is the direction to take Disney's bus transportation to other parks and resorts within Walt Disney World. So you want to go to the extreme left here and follow the somewhat and possibly surprisingly narrow path. Where the buses and the bus waiting area will be on your right, as you see here. Yes, that's right. For much of your walk, you are walking directly underneath or just beside the rails for Disney's monorail. Remember to like this video if you are enjoying it and if it's helpful to you so others will watch it as well. And if you're not already a subscriber, please do click the subscribe button and the notification bell to receive notice of future adult trip videos from our channel, between 1 and 2 per week. Don't forget to check out our well over 100 adult travel tips. Don't forget to check out as well our well over 100 adult travel tip videos already published on Walt Disney World, cruises such as Disney Cruise Line, and even some adventures over in Europe. GoPro, stop recording. and it can be pretty cool to see a monorail pass overhead as you walk like this one. Now, beyond the security check area, you will come to the intersection of roads supporting the traffic in and around the Magic Kingdom area, specifically North World Drive and Bus Drop-Off Drive. So be sure to adhere to traffic laws and wait until you have the green light to cross. On the left is some of the parking for those guests staying at Disney Vacation Club's Bay Lake Tower. Overhead, the monorail tracks continue as they make their way to inside Disney's Contemporary Resort. A parking exit to cross. Be careful and really look both ways as there is no stoplight here. And now we reach the area of the resort where if you are staying at Disney's Contemporary Resort, you would turn to the right. Whereas, if you are staying at Disney Vacation Club's Bay Lake Tower, you continue straight on. You made it. Not that hard, was it? Now, enjoy the rest of your stay. Nancy and I hope you enjoyed this video. Here are 2 more videos of our travel adventures to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And lastly, my email is in the description below. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.